As usual, I'll be taking your session on logic, and today's topic is relations. You know what are relations?
Yes.
क्या होता है? Relations क्या होता है? कुछ तो होगा relations. Okay, but those are just general relations. When we talk about relations, what is the first relation? What are the first category of relations? We talk about family relations. Family relations, right? So, can you define your relatives or can you categorize your relatives into some specific groups? आपके जितने भी relatives हैं, उनको आप कैसे categorize कर सकते हो? If you decide that I want to put all the relatives in a group, on what basis can you make these groups? Can you classify all your relatives as either maternal relative or paternal relative? First of all, what do you mean by maternal? Father's side. Paternal, father's side. Can every relative be classified as maternal or paternal? How many of you say yes, we can classify every relative as maternal or paternal? हर रिश्तेदार maternal या paternal ही होगा. Some people say no. Can you give me a name of a relation which is neither maternal nor paternal?
Brother, sister.
Your brother or your sister. Technically speaking, they are both maternal and paternal. माँ की साइड से भी है, बाप की साइड से भी है. Generally. But is it possible to have a relationship न माँ के साइड से है न बाप के साइड से है? Neighbor, रिश्तेदार, friends, mother. Friends are not relatives. We are talking only about relatives. Husbands, wives. आपका पति for a girl. माँ की साइड से रिश्तेदार है, बाप के साइड से. Hopefully दोनों के साइड से. Right? So maternal paternal classification of relations is not enough for every relation. Then there has to be some other system in which I can classify my relatives. On what basis? What other basis can you classify relations? Type of relation, यानी कि you're saying blood relation. What do you mean by blood relation? Then what kind of relations are not blood relations? Friends are not relatives. Spouses, right? So, is it possible to classify every relation as either a blood relation or a legal relation? Because your marriage is a legal relation, right? So, can I say that every relative is either a blood relative or a relative because of marriage? That is my legal relative.
No.
Which relative is not either blood or legal? Name one relation जो अगर blood नहीं है तो legal भी नहीं है. या तो खून का रिश्ता है या शादी के द्वारा रिश्ता हुआ, राइट? इसके अलावा कोई रिश्तेदार हो सकता है? कजिन अंकल क्या होता है? या तो कजिन होता है या अंकल होता है, या कजिन का अंकल होता है. कजिन अंकल क्या होता है? डैड के कजिन. अगर डैड के खून के रिश्तेदार है तो खून के रिश्तेदार हो गए, और डैड के इन लॉ रिश्तेदार है तो हमारे लिए भी वो लीगल रिश्तेदार हो गए. So every relative is by default either a blood relative. Blood relative means जहाँ पे अगर आप जीन जेनेटिक डीएनए टेस्ट फोरेंसिक टेस्ट करवाओ तो कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन डीएनए निकल आएगा, और शादी के द्वारा. So in blood relatives, who are our blood relatives? Start with your father and your mother, or it could be a sibling which is your brother or your sister, or it could be a son or daughter, right? Or grandparents. We have got 4 grandparents. Father's father and father's mother, dada dadi. Mother's father and mother's mother, nana nani. Right? Similarly, अगर grand ऊपर है तो grand नीचे भी है. And all of my legal relations start because of the first event. Exactly. बिना marriage के legal relatives नहीं बनते. I hope अभी यहाँ मेरे अलावा किसी के legal relatives नहीं हैं. अच्छी उम्र है आप लोगों की. पर कुछ सालों के बाद अगर गलती से डिसाइड किया, then you might get an entire set of relatives which almost doubles the population of your relation. Your spouse, that is your wife's or husband's father, is your father-in-law. His or her mother is your mother-in-law. His or her brother is your brother-in-law. His or her sister is your sister-in-law. His or her son. Your husband's son or your wife's son should not be your son-in-law. Your husband's or your wife's son should hopefully be your son. And his or her daughter should also hopefully be your own daughter. बहुत सारा सीरियल देखते हो. Your husband's wife is your
Self.
हस्बैंड का हस्बैंड मेरा भी हस्बैंड, हस्बैंड की वाइफ मेरी वाइफ. अभी तक इंडिया में लीगल नहीं है. इंडिया में इट्स ओनली 1 + 1 of opposite gender. Right? So you can classify a relation as a blood relation or a legal relation. You can also classify relatives on other basis, जो already हम discuss कर चुके हैं. That is, you can classify your relatives based on generation. जैसे आपकी generation में कौन कौन आता है? Yourself, your brother, your sister, all your cousins, and then after marriage your wife, brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law, and so on. Right? आपके just ऊपर के generation में कौन आएगा? You can have your parents. Just ऊपर. मेरे ऊपर के generation में I can have my parents, my father, my mother, my uncles, my aunts. How many types of uncles do we have? There are 2 direct and 2 indirect uncles that we have. Your father's brother, your chacha or tau, is also your uncle. Your mother's brother, your mama, is also your uncle. Your father's sister's husband, आपके बुआ के पति, क्या बोलते हैं? बुआ. ये मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. मामा मामी, चाचा चाची, मासा मासी, तो बुआ बुई क्यों नहीं? But anyway, बुआ के husband is also your uncle, but we call it the aunt's husband. Similarly, your mother's sister's husband, आपकी मौसी के पति, मौसा जी, is also your maternal aunt's husband. But technically 4 टाइप के अंकल और 4 टाइप के आंट. चाचा, मामा, मौसा, फूफा, and चाची, मामी, मौसी, चौथा वाला भी मुंह में नहीं आता है. They are all your uncles and aunts in 1 level above you. 2 levels above you. आपके ऊपर, उसके ऊपर कौन आता है? दादा, दादी, नाना, नानी. Immediately below you, generation में कौन? Your son, daughter,
brother's son, brother's daughter.
So brother's or sister's son is your nephew. Son is the nephew. Your brother's daughter or your sister's daughter is your niece. Right? Then उनके भी नीचे के generation में grandkids, grandson, granddaughter, grandnephew, grandniece. So generation के हिसाब से you can classify. Yet another and the simplest classification could be classification as a male relative or a female relative. Third gender की बात अभी नहीं करते. We assume all relatives are either males, fathers, brothers, husbands, male cousins, uncles, grandfathers, grandsons, nephews, or they are females, mothers, sisters, wives, female cousins, aunts, grandmothers, granddaughters, nieces, and so on. So whenever we are talking about classification of relatives or identifying relation between 2 people, हमेशा 3 चीजों का ख्याल रखो. एक, is the relation a blood relation or a legal relation? Is the person in your generation above, below, what? And finally, is the relation a male or a female? By knowing these 3 particulars, you can always try to identify what is the correct answer in the paper. अगर आपको इतना पता है कि जो आंसर होगा, it should be a male, it should be 1 generation above me, and the options given to you are cousin, brother, nephew, grandfather or uncle. By default you know that male, ठीक है, cousin के अलावा सारे male ही हैं. Cousin can be a male or a female. But if the person has to be one generation above me, it cannot be my cousin or brother because ये दोनों हमारे ही generation के होते हैं.